Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was about to say welcome back to my new year. Of course, we all are starting our new years and everything. Oh my god, you guys, who had a blast? I had a blast with my family members, with my man, my handsome man. We're gonna be actually coming and doing this hair right here. We're gonna wear this one. Oh, it smells so good. It's pre-washed and also re-curled. I re-curled it, so it looks super nice, guys. Okay, and the reason why I'm wearing green, this is one of my man's favorite color for me to wear, you guys. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna start. Oh, before I start, you guys, the video that I'm gonna be doing for the Christmas presents, my present still hasn't gotten here. So it's gonna be probably mid-January, of course. The gift that I got my man says that is coming the middle of the month, so that's why I haven't done nothing, you guys. But sorry, that is coming, you guys. That's the only present that I'm waiting for to come here, and then I'll be filming that so you guys can see everything I got. Okay, so let's start with the e.l.f., of course, the hydrating camel concealer, and we're just gonna apply, of course, the eyes. Pretty much I'm just gonna skip this step because you don't need to see everything I do. Okay, now that we finally have our concealer on our eyes, I'm gonna use my Radiant Professional Makeup palette that I received a while back from Amazon to try it out for you guys. And I'm gonna go on this one for the bottom of my brow. Get it a little pigmented, not too much, but to give it kind of like that nice look. And this is, of course, one of the gifts that I received, one of the gifts that I got on Christmas. It is super pretty. I fell in love once I got it. This was by my beautiful niece, you guys, my oldest niece. She gave me this beautiful mirror. So it has 3 mirrors going on. So I actually love it, you guys. I really love this mirror. It comes a lot in handy when I have to do my makeup. I have my other mirrors, but this one, I don't know, like, it's pretty cool because of the fact that I could kind of fold it and see myself. Like, this one is a little bit more zoomed in, this one is normal, and so this one is normal too. So it has a little bit of magnifying in case if you want to do. It's not super close. I think it's like a 1x, literally, so it's like literally almost nothing. But I thought it was a super cute detail. And I'm gonna go back with one of my old, well, not really old, but I haven't used this one, only I used it for the 420 looks. So I'm gonna use this one right here that I got off from Amazon, you guys, a while back. And I'm gonna be pretty much using this one first and then topping it with this one at the end to make it a little bit more darker. And also I have a background coming, that's why I just put on this one. Because it's close to Valentine's, of course. Well, not really close. More weeks to get to Valentine's, so I was like, well, might as well start bringing this one out. But the other one, the backdrop that I'm gonna get you guys, it is super pretty. So I think that's gonna be like my main one. I'm not sure because I love to go back and forth with my backdrop. We're slowly gonna be also bringing it up, so it can define that line. We start going to the darkest shade, which is this one right here. I'm gonna be bringing it a little bit lower. We're gonna be putting it exactly on the cut crease only. We're not going up. We're just gonna darken up that look, and then we're just gonna drag this out as well. The reason why is because right now I'm gonna clean it up, so we want that super cut crease. Now we're gonna pretty much clean that cut crease, you guys, so it could give us a more of a sharp look. And with a wipey, we're just gonna clean up the rest, you guys, which is gonna be here on this part. With the same shadow that I put on earlier with the Radiant Professional, I'm gonna use that color to put in my whole entire lid. Now I'm gonna go with my 5150 lashes glitter. So I'm gonna apply a good amount of glitter. I'm gonna use my little helper, of course, and this is the glitter that I'll use. This one I'm placing like very low, right under the green line. Now once we're completely done with that, I'm gonna get a brush. Oh, it looks very pretty. And I'm just gonna wipe over the axis and carefully not to mess up anything from the glitter that I just okay. So now for lashes, guys, I'm gonna be applying the last time I used this one, so they were super pretty. So I'm gonna see which ones from this 3 I haven't worn yet. And of course, these ones, they don't come like this. I actually made them as well, these ones too, with concealer and the neon powder pigments. I use the powder to pretty much do these lashes. I'm planning on doing maybe some pink ones, which is gonna be this one right here, and then I'll film this because I know what my girl wrote to me. She's saying that she wanted to see a tutorial how I did. I could share you guys my tips, and then that way you guys can do them too. Okay, so for this look, I'm gonna be using the second ones that look super pretty. Oh my god, this lashes, wow, super highly recommended by me. These were purchased at Amazon as well. If you guys want the link, I will put it down below so you guys could purchase some of these babies. Super affordable as well, you guys, and you get that whole collection. There are two of the same rows and in 5 different style of lashes. So I thought that was super nice. And I got some other ones also coming in the way that I'm excited to try from Amazon as well. It comes a little bit too low. I think I should cut that hair. If I could like get it to get like that, that would be cool. But it's not getting. Let me just, you know what? Let me try something. Let me try to get a little bit of glue and put some on the outside, like right here. And then kind of pull them together. See if this works. Yay, it works. So there you guys go. If you guys need a tip, well, it's still there, it's still lingering. I needed it to be super, there you go, finally. So there's another tip, you guys. If your lashes are hanging too low, but you don't want to cut them, put a slightly bit of glue. Okay, so now for foundation, you guys, I'm going to be using the Beauty Creations, and this one is in FS 3.5. Sorry, I had to like say it again because my accent sometimes kicks in, so it says like, it sounds like it's something else. So F sounds a little bit more like S, so I have to do all of that. You know what? Let me take it off. I know this is gonna hurt for some of you guys, but I didn't put primer or anything, so let me just go quickly and apply that, and I'll be right. I'm gonna be using these two, Hard Candy and Rimmel. They're pretty good. Both are for the pores and keep your face flawless. I'm gonna use a tiny bit, like a very thin coat of Airspun, you guys. So that way my face won't show shiny or anything. Like literally just one tap, and this will do the job for your entire face. But if you're gonna go out, of course, I recommend a little more. So now I'm gonna apply my foundation. I know, you guys, it hurt me too. I was just like, you wiped away the foundation, girl? No. Oh, so this one works really good for right now. It actually matches me. On the summer, when I tried to use this one, it wasn't even matching at all. It's like slightly lighter, but since I haven't been in the sun, the cold is here, this actually, wow, it matches pretty good. Like it's just slightly, like very slightly different, but I mean, nothing that I can't work with or seem impossible. We're gonna wet our beauty blender and smudge everything. Blend it better. No creases, no patches, no nothing. And here is the most important one. I like to go in here so it can like create that ombre look from the beginning of the brows, and you can see more separated, not too super close. So for the concealer, I'm gonna use this one under my eyes, and this one is a medium beige. So here comes the fun part. Another thin coat. This one I am gonna apply evenly all around the face, and that one I'm gonna apply with this one, with Tati Beauty. Get one tap and get the entire, almost the entire face, you guys. Okay, make sure you cover that evenly. And one more tap, and then we're gonna use the forehead and some of the eyebrows as well, so that way it can kind of lighten them up and it will be too harsh, like too dark, the eyebrows. Which if you want them dark, then it's fine, don't touch your brows. But I like to kind of give them, when it's like color wigs like the one that I'm gonna use, I do like to tap lightly on my brows so it could give you like the more like natural look, I guess you could say. Now we go on with my beauty blender again, and I'm gonna wet it again, kind of not super wet, and I'm just gonna tap and make sure that the powder doesn't show cakey or anything. And voila, you see my face just picked up. Okay, now for contour, I am gonna be using I don't know if you guys, I have a tutorial on all of his palettes, you guys, but they look like this. Also including his foundation, his primer, the highlight, blush, contour, highlight set. This is a blush palette. This one is a contour, and this is an eyeshadow. This one I love to use when I'm gonna go like to church, like to give it like a more simple look. And this is how it looks. It comes with a huge mirror as well, you guys. But this one I do have a tutorial, I do have a demonstration on all of it. For the contour, I do want it kind of soft, so I'm gonna use this one right here. And what I love about his products, that it gives you like that soft contour. It's not like super dramatic, unless if you want dramatic, of course, then you can. He has another palette that is, I believe it's gonna be a little bit darker than this one, I'm not really sure. It gives you a very natural look, you guys. Not too much and not too little as well. And you guys can see now how beautiful it sculpts your head, your contour. It gives you like a more defined, very natural, not too exaggerated, but a very natural look, you guys. And trust me, his products are amazing as well, you guys. The foundation, the face primer, like I said, I like to use those ones when I actually go out, but when I film, I like to use, like, you know, here and there, but not so much of his products, because I don't want to run out of them because how good they are. So yeah, this is his blush palette, you guys, and this one comes like this. So for this one, I am gonna use the middle blush to kind of give it a little bit more of, you know, like a tone to my face. Now for highlight, this is my favorite palette from him, you guys. Super favorite. I love all of my highlighters, but this one is like super pretty. So they are available on his page as well, on his website, if you want to get some. Now here is your option, you guys, if you want to apply highlight with once you apply the product and wet it with a water bottle, just like I did, or you can apply it dry and give you a more natural look, which this side, the other side is dry, and I'm gonna tell you guys, give you the difference. Without it, it also picks up you know, without water. But I feel with the water, which I'm about to show you guys right now, this is without it and this is with the water. You see, it gives you more of a natural look. So you guys can always, you know, see what you want. You see, I already apply water and it gives you kind of like a wet look, like super pretty. The same palette from this one right here, and I'm gonna apply some of that green shadow under right here. For liner, I'm gonna use the LA Girl colors and LA colors. Sorry, I said LA Girl colors. LA colors, and this is a gel, and it performs beautiful, super pigmented as well. You guys, you could see super pigmented, you guys, and it lasts a good while as well. This is why I love something this black, like super that stands out a lot. I love eyeliners that are super pigmented. Now for the lips, I am planning to do something kind of soft since we have a lot going on. I'm gonna put some glitter on the lips as well. This lipstick that I'm gonna use is from NYS, this one right here, and this one is gonna be in the color Lip LI01, and it's like a brown, like a nude color. Like so. This looks actually pretty good, you guys. It's not too much. I was planning on doing the lips green, but I was like, you know what, let me make it softer so that way you guys can see, because I know I do a lot of exaggerated looks and with the lips the same color as the shadow, but this one actually comes out really good, you guys. Wow, it looks really nice. I'm gonna be bringing my Beauty Creations glitter. I think you can find it on the website. I'm not sure if they still sell it, but I do want a nude one, so I'm gonna go with this one right here, Silver Dust, and this one is in the color 11. I'm gonna bring out my beautiful hard candy, you guys, and oh, it got darkened, huh? It got dark a little bit, the lips, that's fine. So I'm gonna apply that. Let it get tacky a little bit, not too much that you know, you're gonna have to reapply the glitter. But I'll just literally go one like that, and it gets a lot. And you're gonna start placing it down. Year 2022, we are bringing some bomb look for you guys. Now, after I apply the glitter, I don't like to mess with it at first. Let it get a little more tackier. Once you feel, well, like dry almost, I like to close my lips. The glitter lasts a lot longer, you guys. I was shocked on that because before I would just put on the primer, the glitter, and then I'll just go on with my squeeze my lips together. That's the word that I was trying to find, squeeze my lips together. I've been noticing that it lasts a lot longer, you guys. So now let me go ahead and do my hair real quick, which it looks good like this, you know, just a little bit of hairspray or gel, you know, to make it look kind of like the bun, all nice. I actually like the bun, you guys, but let me go with the wig because I have a feeling it's gonna stand out even more, or it can go all down the drain. Oh my god, you guys, and here is with my wig. Why do I feel like this just gave it even more light? So that is it for my look, you guys. Hopefully you guys like this look. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this look. I think it's absolutely amazing, you guys. So as for now, guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching if you stood all the way through, guys, and I see you guys to the next one. Bye, love you, and happy New Year's, loves.